Aam Aadmi Party is in a huddle at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. A strategy meeting took place over the opposition role of the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, they still have 22 MLAs, down from 62 to 22 now in this election. The top brass has seen a near wipeout with only Gopal Rai and Atishi retaining their seats. Atishi earlier today had resigned as Chief Minister and the Assembly was dissolved. Let's just listen into what Atishi had to say.
हम दिल्ली की जनता का जनादेश स्वीकार करते हैं और एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव ऑपोजिशन की भूमिका निभाएंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जो वादे किए हैं वो सारे वादे आम आदमी पार्टी पूरे करवाएगी।
मैम, एलओपी के बारे में कुछ डिस्कशन हुई है? कौन होंगे एलओपी?
नहीं, अभी ऐसी कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई। वो एक बारी लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी की आधिकारिक बैठक होगी, उसके बाद इस पे चर्चा होगी।
Well, let's go across to Tanushka now for more. And Tanushka, a huge defeat for the Aam Aadmi Party, just 22 seats. But the next day they are holding this meeting and going to, chalk out their strategy.
Right, Gargi, these 22 winning candidates from the Aam Aadmi Party met with the Aam Aadmi Party national convener today at his residence, wherein the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, was also present there. And what Atishi and both Arvind Kejriwal have said is that they accept their defeat, they've conceded to this, they respect the people's mandate. However, Atishi also stressed upon that they will, as opposition now, make sure that all the promises that have been made by the BJP are fulfilled. She brings about the topic of the women's welfare scheme and says that the BJP had promised that by 8th March they will be implementing this scheme in Delhi in the first cabinet meeting itself. So she says that they will ensure that this 2,500 rupees is given out to all of the women in Delhi by the BJP as promised. What Atishi also brought about was the concern of the leader of opposition. She says that they're still analyzing their defeat and they're yet to consolidate upon who will be the face for the leader of opposition from the Aam Aadmi Party. Atishi also goes on to mention that it is, this defeat comes in at a time where she says that they've never seen such sort of disruption in the elections. Their money was involved, money distribution was involved, and the police largely did not have much say in terms of controlling this distribution. She indicates that the police was also involved in the same. However, of course, these are again allegations by the Aam Aadmi Party at this point, and this huddle that happened at Arvind Kejriwal's residence today had 22 of the winning candidates. Aam Aadmi Party has won the Kalkaji seat, which was the seat of Chief Minister Atishi, former Chief Minister, and that's what from the Aam Aadmi Party at this point.